Yeah, you know 2020 is going kind of bad when all you wanted from the year was a mullet. Like you woke up and you were like, the only thing that would make me happy, the only thing that would give me some serotonin right now is a mullet. So I did that. And here we are.
I live for the touch of you. Just a touch of you. Just a touch.
Hi guys, it's Tony, aka Too Much Tony, and I'm back today with another YouTube video for you guys. And this one's a doozy. It's gonna be a little weird. I'm just gonna let you guys know that from the jump. I, for some reason, for the last, I want to say 4 months, have had the sudden urge to give myself a mullet. I know that sounds absolutely crazy, but I don't know. I saw this one girl on Twitter do it. She looked fire. And ever since then, I think she posted this in March, like when quarantine started. I was like, I'm gonna get a mullet. I'm doing it. So today we are going to be achieving my dream of having a mullet, but like a high fashion, like cute mullet. I'm not like Billy Ray Cyrus singing it up out here. I don't know if any of you guys know Ryan Destiny. I'll insert a picture here. She recently did a mullet, I want to say like a month ago, and it like rekindled that thought I had of doing it. So I'm like, all right, it's really happening. So if you really want to see how I achieve a mullet, please continue watching because you're doing this shit. And just to let you guys know, this is a part of my series called Cliche, where I try the latest beauty and fashion, any trend that you really want to see. I try it so that you don't have to, and you can know if it will work for you. So let's go. So I made a trip to the beauty supply store because I just didn't know how I was gonna tackle this. A few people were telling me that I should relax my actual hair. So for those of you who don't know, obviously this is a wig. Underneath it, I'm growing my hair out natural. So I have like a little fro going on. I did not want to damage my hair just to get a mullet. So I was like, I'm gonna try to make a wig version of a mullet on my own. So that's what we're doing. I'm making a mullet wig essentially. But my vision, I'm really hoping it works because it could be so bomb, guys. It could be like chef's kiss, beautiful, or it could be absolutely ridiculous. So we're gonna see. So I made a trip to the beauty supply store, and while I was there, I bought a wig, a short wig, and then I bought some extensions to add to it. So I haven't tried on the wig yet, so I'm gonna actually do that on camera, and we'll see if this works. So it's called the Vanessa Fashion Wig. I bought this for 40 bucks at my local beauty supply store. Now I just wanna do a little memo here and let you Americans know how lucky you are. I am Canadian, and listen, I found a $20 wig online on this website, and it looked just like this, and it was super nice, and I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna get it because it's a short wig. It's what I need for my mullet. And when I went to click shipping, it added an extra $60 just to get it across the border to Canada, because apparently I live in fucking Narnia. But yeah, I was like, I'm not paying $80 for a wig. So I was really happy when I went to the beauty supply store and I found this for $40. And then I found, literally the girl in this picture kind of has a mullet going on. I'll try to zoom in so you can really see it. But anyways, I found these little pieces of hair that you can add. This was in a bin for $5. So I literally just walked around the beauty supply store and searched. So what my idea is I am going to add this additional piece to the back of my short wig and then get a mullet. I'm gonna like cut where necessary and see if it works. But the first step is trying on this wig. Okay, so I saw this on a mannequin in the beauty supply store. And it looks really good on the mannequin. This is what it looks like. So I've rocked short hairstyles before, but that was with my actual hair, never with a wig. So this is a video of a lot of firsts today. Okay, so I'm just gonna take this wig off real quick. This is what I look like underneath my wig. I always joke that without makeup on, I look like Jaden Smith.
I hate it here!
First of all. Second of all, I look like Riley from the Boondocks. If any of you guys watch the Boondocks, please comment below. That show was my shit. Like, I love it so much. But yeah, if you don't know Riley from the Boondocks, he's just like a little boy who always has his hair in cornrows. He's a cartoon character, and he is also my twin. So, where's the front? Oh my god. Oh, okay. She fits.
Bruh.
Yo, I'm gonna turn the camera off real quick.
Cut the cameras. Dead ass.
Okay. I'm trying to figure out like what I should do. So I know my next step is like I'm going to take this hair and I want to glue it to the back. I was thinking about sewing it, but we're all about efficiency here. I'm trying to find the quickest possible route. Sewing this shit in is not my vibe right now. I don't feel like sewing. And so I'm just gonna turn so you can see the back. Can you see it? That's what the back looks like. She cute or whatever. She cute. This is clockable if I'm living my day-to-day life. Like, you'll look at this and be like, that's definitely a wig. So I'm gonna try to see if I can find a way to make it less wiggy. If it doesn't work, then I could just use this as like a wig that I go clubbing in. I feel like I could go clubbing in this because when you're in a club, it's dark. What's next time we'll be able to clubbing? So now I'm just gonna add pieces to the back.
Okay, so when I opened up the package, I realized that there were 3 different lengths. So this is just me trying each length on and seeing which one will end up working for me. Now, initially I decided to go with 8 inches, so here is just me gluing the 8-inch piece to the track of the back of the wig and using clips to do so. This became kind of cumbersome because I realized just one layer was really thin. So what I decided to do after a while was create a super layer. So I just glued a bunch of layers on top of each other to create one thick layer, and then I glued that one thick layer to the back of the wig. Okay, so we're halfway through, and this is what it looks like. Oh, you can't even see me, y'all. Oh my god. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's unbalanced. There's more hair on one end than there is on the other, so I'm going to balance it. And then I also have to make it the same texture as the rest. I think I'm going to flip it outwards. But so far, this is my mullet. And immediately after shooting that video, I realized I hated the way that 8 inches looked, so decided to switch over to 6 inches. So here I am gluing 6 inches on because I ripped the 8-inch pieces off. After a while, I realized that it was really hard to do this on my desk, so I got a mannequin head and ended up layering it. So there's 2 different layers here, and it's 6 inches, not 8. I ended up curling them. I bumped the ends, as my mom would say, and then this was my final look. So this is the final look. I'm kind of here for it, kind of not. It looks very wiggy and like very Halloweenish, but also I don't really mind. Halloween's coming up soon. I might find something to do with this wig. I'm gonna do a full 360 spin so you guys can see it. I think the back looks a little wonky just because it doesn't match. Like the back curls and it's just straight. But you know what? We got the point across. We got the business at the front and the party at the back, and that's what I wanted. My mullet dream, you know, came true, so I'm happy about that. I don't know, I like to name my wigs. Like I've always named all my wigs, and I want to name this one Ramona. I don't know why she feels like a Ramona. It's like a rocker chick, and I also feel like I really want to go clubbing again so I can wear this. Because like if I had this, a black dress, and so like a leather jacket, I would rock that shit and I would look so good. But where the fuck am I gonna go?
Damn, if you can't go to Better Noches, where the hell could you go?
In the middle of a pandemic, like where am I? I'm not getting cute to go to the grocery store like this. Maybe I'll wear this to the grocery store. My mullet dreams officially came true. I just want to know what it would look like, honestly. It was also super straightforward, very easy. All you needed was all of the tools, and I think I just kind of lucked out by finding everything that worked out for me for a really cheap price. I will try to find the items that I got in store online and then post them below in case you guys really want to know. Again, I live in Canada, so it might be a little bit different if you're American and you're watching this. And yeah, this is it. It's not as good as Ryan Destiny's or that girl who's on Twitter, because hers is long and like beautiful, but you know, like it is what it is. But here we are, you know, regardless, this is how it came out. You know, I got a cute face that can suit anything, so I'm good, you know. You guys can try it and see if it works. I think that if I had a real human hair, like a real human hair wig, this would look a lot better. And it wouldn't look as, like I said, wiggy. Like you can look at this and you're like, yeah, that's a wig. There's no way she did that to her actual hair. I think maybe a human hair wig would be a little bit better. However, those are a little expensive and I don't got that kind of money laying around.
Help me, I'm poor.
No. Yeah, so you know, $45 and like 20 minutes of your time, and you too could have a mullet like this. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching me struggle and me trying to get this dream to come true, because it's something that I wanted for a while. I'm super happy that I actually did it. I actually tried something, it worked-ish. It happened regardless. That's all that needed to be said. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share with anyone else who you know who might have mullet dreams just like me. And then let's see if they'll do it too, because I don't know, maybe they're just as haunted as I am. I'm a little weird. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have anything else that you think I should try, please comment below and I will like get on that. So yeah. And you know, if you really love me and if you really care about my well-being and you want to make sure that I continue making more videos, please subscribe. That's all I ask. Just subscribe or like or comment, anything. Show me some love. Thank you guys. Bye.